Anthrax, also known as Bacillus anthracis, is a rare but serious bacterial illness caused by a spore-forming bacterium. It mainly affects animals, but humans can become infected through contact with an infected animal or by inhaling spores.
Anthrax is most common in agricultural regions of Central and South America, Sub-Saharan Africa, Central and Southwestern Asia, Southern and Eastern Europe, and the Caribbean. It's rare in the U.S., and anthrax is found in the soil and affects domestic and wild animals around the world.
There are 3 types of anthrax, each with different symptoms: cutaneous, inhalation, and gastrointestinal.
Infection is transmitted through a contact with tissues of dying from these diseased animals, such as pigs, horses, goats, or sheep. Also by biting flies that fed on these animals, by contact with hair, wool, brushes, soil where these animals have been. Also it can spread disease through undercooked meat.
Symptoms and signs of anthrax. Cutaneous. Raised itchy bump resembling an insect bite that quickly develops into a painless sore with a black center. Swelling in the sore and nervy lymph glands. Swelling can occur around the sore. Most often the sore will be on the face, neck, arms, or hands. Inhalation. We begin with flu-like symptoms, including sore throat, mild fever, fatigue, and muscle aches. We continue with mild chest discomfort, shortness of breath, nausea, coughing up blood, and painful swallowing. As the disease progresses, we see high fever, trouble breathing, shock, and meningitis, which is a potentially life-threatening inflammation of the brain and spinal cord. Symptoms and signs of gastrointestinal anthrax include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, headache, loss of appetite, fever, severe bloody diarrhea in the later stages, sore throat, difficulty swallowing, and a swollen neck.
One of the methods of treatment is antibiotics, but it's important to take care of it as quickly as possible to have chances for a full recovery. Another way is to use antitoxins. When anthrax spores get inside the body, they can be activated and produce toxins. Antitoxins with other treatment options target anthrax toxins in the body and kill them.
How common is it? Cutaneous is the most common form of anthrax and is considered the least dangerous. The last reported case of cutaneous anthrax occurred in 2000. Inhalation is the deadliest form of anthrax, but is the rarest form of human anthrax. Lastly, gastrointestinal is also rare, but it's not as rare as inhalation. This type has rarely been reported in the United States.